This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you have a lot of templates which you can use. You have the 3D figures, you can see here, see the video option. You have a lot of templates which you can use. And all of these templates, all you have to do is pretty much just upload a clear image of yourself and you pretty much get these results. Very simple. And based on some of these templates may have different options for you to upload different type of photos. You can see here, upload a old photo and get some similar effect as this here, as you can see. So that's really pretty much it. And let's say you want to try out the news anchor option here. You can tap on the AI video or whichever one you choose. Will take a while to load. It's not because of my connection is slow or anything like that. It's just that the application is pretty much what it says, as you can see here. So this here pretty much turns AI video. It lets you pretty much turns the person, as you can see here. You won't be able to upload yourself, but the person will edit what the person say, basically. So pretty much describe what you want to see, what you want the person to say in this video, and it will pretty much be carried out. So that's all this template section here works. You have some other ones where you do have to upload images of yourself. So do keep that in mind. You have the 3D figure option, where if I do tap on this option here, I would have to upload a image of myself and I pretty much get this result. So some of these templates may be different, as you can see here, for example, the news option there and some other ones as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. There you have the I would say AI photo generator option here. All you can do is pretty much just upload a photo of reference. Here pretty much enter your prompt. As you can see here, just tap on the surprise me option. And do keep in mind, you don't have to pretty much type what you want here, or you don't have to pretty much type yourself. You can just tap on the surprise me option here. So do keep in mind as well, this is not a photo. I made a mistake. This is a video option, not a photo option, a video option. So once you've selected into your prompt, here you can go down and select the style of the video. Here you have the realistic option, you have the anime option, you have the 3D, a lot of them which you can choose from. All if you just go ahead and select whichever one you want to use. Once you have done that, you tap on the generate option and you're pretty much good to go. But do keep in mind, this application here will need a subscription. So they do offer a weekly subscription, as you can see here, and here the subscription and pretty much what you be getting. As it relates to the price are shown here. As you can see, you have the subscription for $40. You have the weekly subscription for $7. So that's pretty much it for this application. And if you want to get the pro subscription for this application here, all you have to do is go to the explore option or tap on this here, or you can just select any one of these features. It will just redirect you to the subscription page, or you can go in the settings option here as well and pretty much sign up and so forth. So once you have signed up, you'll be able to see your subscription page. So do make sure you sign up before getting your subscription and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything on, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and official bell. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.